Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Forum and you are watching FMA makeup tutorials.
And those who are new, hi, this is Forum and you're watching FMA makeup tutorial as well. Do not forget to hit the subscribe button before you leave. So I had a poll on my Insta story asking for a look which I can recreate, and I had got a maximum people saying yes. So I'm going to recreate a beautiful look which had green and gold eye, and it was like a spotlight cut crease look. And here I am going to create the same look again. So wanna know how did I achieve this look? Please keep on watching. So without wasting time, let's get started. Too much? I am extra. So let me sip in my favorite drink called Indian tea. I love it. I love it. So I love the flavors that are induced in this beautiful tea and giving me the beautiful taste. Wagh bakri chai, if anyone knows out there, is amazing. You should try it out. If you're a tea fan, you should definitely try Wagh bakri chai. So let me zoom you in and tie my hair back. This little thing out there is so freaking funny. Change a little bit and apply beautiful e.l.f. hydrating face primer. It's a little bit of squeezy peasy on my fingers. That goes right on my T-zone more. Left over on my face. Also my laugh lines and under my eyes. I hope that you like my nails. I love them. So letting this primer go into our skin deeply within, and till then we are going to run through our eyebrows quickly. Anastasia Brow palette, I'm going to dig in for my eyebrows today. Ash brown is my color. Yes! Alright, so we'll quickly prime our eyes with some concealer first. So I'm going to use the M.A.C Prolong Wear Concealer in the shade of NC35 for my eyes. Also, meanwhile, I'll be cleaning my eyebrows as well. Easy peasy. And now we have a beautiful clean base. Wow, look at the difference, guys. So the first thing which we are going to do is create a beautiful transition, and to do that I'm going to dig in the Cat's Pajama palette by Laura Lee. And the color which I am using is Cray and Diggity. These are some neutral colors. So we are going to dig in this beautiful Jaclyn palette, and the shade which we are going to use for the green is going to be right this. So starting with the inner corner and taking it right towards the outer corner of the eye. Do you see how simple this eye makeup is? It looks complicated and all that, and over the top glam and all that, but it's damn simple. So if you see, I am going to mix this line, creating a green eyeliner look. Alright, here we cut the crease. So with the help of a concealer, I am cutting my lid. So popping some golden and champagne gold color on this beautiful flat brush, I am going to apply it right on the center where I have applied my concealer. And once this is done, we are going to again go with this pencil brush and just giving it a finishing touch by shading it and blending the gold with the green. That's all you have to do to achieve this beautiful spotlight green and gold look. But for the added twist which I had given to that look to get that extravagant shine, I had popped on this beautiful flaky eyeshadow from M.A.C called In Orbit. That's an electric cool eyeshadow. See how beautifully that golden comes out. Like, I love it. So after this, just a little bit of your under eyes with the same green color. Guys, this look is so killer that this is going to be my to-go glam look now. Filling up my waterline with the Kohl pencil by Max Factor. And some beautiful Hot and Naughty mascara goes on my lashes. So if you see there are so much of fallouts, I am going to use the makeup remover to remove this entire dude out of our sight. So first I'll be starting with hiding my dark circles by this beautiful Kylie Jenner lipstick in Poise K, and that's gonna give me a little bit of pink hint, and I'm going to spread it with the sponge, and then I'm going to go in with my foundation by M.A.C, that is M.A.C Mineralize foundation with moisture SPF 15, and in the shade of NC37 I'm going to spread it all over my face with this beautiful beauty blender. And after that I'm going to conceal my under eye with this beautiful M.A.C Studio Fix Prolong concealer, and just to highlight my under eye I am going to add some Essence Stay All Day 16 Hours Long Lasting Concealer in the shade of Soft Beige, and I am going to blend this into perfection. After all this is done, we are going to seal this deal with Laura Mercier Loose Powder. I'm going to use my M.A.C blusher kit, chisel down my face a little. So to bronze up my face, I'm just going to use this beautiful huge fluffy brush and going to go in the light brown. And for the contour, I am going to go with the darker shade available in the same palette on the little bit of tapered cross brush. So for my lipstick, I'm going to go with Famous from Huda Beauty. That's a beautiful maroonish brown color. And now we'll be finishing up the highlighting points of the face. I'm going to go in the Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit, and with this beautiful fan brush I am going to dig in some snow and white sand. Just a touch of this highlighter just highlights everything, like literally. This is best with the fingers. And now I'm going to apply some lashes to this beautiful eye makeup, which I guess I had forgotten. So this is it, guys. This is my final look. I hope that you like this video. If you like, do not forget to hit the beautiful thumbs up button down there, and do not forget to comment in the comment section below. Also, to know the products which I have used in this video, please do not forget to check out the description box. So I'm so happy that I've reached 100 subscribers on YouTube. I want to grow more, so please do support and please subscribe to my channel. And I love you all, guys. I hope to see you in my next video. Till then, bye for now.